Hey guys, welcome back to our channel, Let Us Eat. I'm Luke.
And I'm Destiny.
And today we did something super special. We did a shrimp boil. Something totally different, out of the blue. So yeah, we wanted to try it out, and I've never done one before, so we like to experience new things, don't we, Destiny? That was something I really loved. It was great. It was amazing. Got to spend some time with some friends.
Did you guys know that shrimp turns pink? I didn't know that they turn pink. I was shocked, to say the least. This is coming from somebody that's never cooked fish. Mm-hmm. Like ever.
Yeah. I don't know what the process is called, but it's uncooked, it's gray, and then when you cook it, it turns pink.
It's
weird. Yeah, I loved it. Yeah, I know. Oh, the seasoning we use, which is not sponsored, by the way, is called Slap Your Mama.
I've never had Slap Your Mama either.
Me either. It was great. Guess what we did? We slapped your mama.
Apparently it was good.
I also want to say thank you to Sarah, our lovely host for this event. We do appreciate it. Thank you so much.
Sarah, you have a nice kitchen. Very beautiful. I love it.
Yes.
So pretty.
So pretty. If you guys want to follow her or want to know more about her, she's actually the owner of Tears of Elegance, which is a cake shop, of course. They do wedding cakes and a bunch of other stuff. So really appreciate her. Her links will be in our description below. Stay tuned. Make sure you guys hit that subscribe button, press that like button, and turn that little notification bell on. We appreciate it. Any comments for us? We'd love to see them. Yeah. Bye.